If you want to get her in bed, keep her fed.
What's up guys, this vlog is going to show you how to keep a girl happy, which I am miserably failing at right now, which I'll get into in a second.
Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
That was a bit longer than a second, I do apologise, but I have good reason. We are now in Budapest. It is 20 to 2 in the morning and we literally just got into our Airbnb. The Airbnb is pretty slick and it is right in the heart of the city with an amazing view of Chain Bridge. But that is not why you clicked on this vlog. You clicked on this vlog because it is how to keep a girl happy.
That's impossible!
And I'm going to be honest, I've not done an amazing job with this throughout since I last spoke to you guys. So we're not off to a good start. Anyway, gonna crack this tomorrow. It's nearly 2 o'clock, so I'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning from Budapest.
Hello there.
Today we're gonna have a better crack at explaining to you guys how to keep a girl happy. But I haven't eaten in like 14 hours, so first, breakfast.
Come and fly away with me.
Tip number 1, keep the girlfriend fed. You do not want to hang your girlfriend, especially in a sightseeing day in a new city. And also, bring her to a restaurant like I did that had Taylor Swift on in the background.
Lying on the cold hard ground.
Bonus points for that. So unfortunately I have a damaged tendon in my foot, so I can actually barely walk. We're gonna get a bus tour now to see the sights because I'm like literally hobbling along. So yeah, had the loveliest salesman. Now let's get on the big red bus.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind.
We live right here. We've passed it like twice already on this tour. I think there's a reason why we're the only guys on the whole top deck, because it is so cold.
Oh God, you wouldn't belong getting frostbite.
Tip 2, how to keep a girl happy. Get some jazzy music on a bus tour. Ah, actually scrap that one. that look says everything.
That was so like
Gay!
Tip number 3, turn on the mic before you start recording. No, take your girlfriend up to incredible views like this. No, she's not the view, no. Here's the view.
Just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize.
What are we on, tip 4? Take her up to uncomfortable heights when she really doesn't love heights.
It's okay when you're coming back down, it's not as bad because you don't own closer to the ground. Less chance of dying.
So all of these tips on how to keep a girl happy have been all leading up to the kind of one point. Travel with her. Bitches love travel. No, seriously, traveling is the best way to keep a girl happy, and also bringing a camera to have photo shoots and take epic cinematic sequences like this of her.
Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect.
If you want to get her in bed, keep her fed.
If you want to get her in bed, keep her fed.
I know She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home